Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be playing some trombone. I'm gonna play some, Fortis, Crunch Time, and we'll just go from there. Let's go. Fortis. Okay, now I'll be changing the tempo to the slower part to 88 beats per minute. First part was 136. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's my melody. Low brass. Trombone, trombone's the best. Here's Fortis for you guys. Now let's do some crunch time. And then after we do crunch time, we'll do Let Heaven and Nature Sing. Which is, Joy to the World, but I don't know why it's called that, but it just is. Okay, we'll be doing crunch time at 124 beats per minute. Here we go. Okay, now let's do Let Heaven and Nature Sing. This one will be at 112 beats per minute. Here we go. Or also known as, Joy to the World. I don't know why I couldn't think about that, but here we go. There we have it. And if you're wondering why it was like kind of boring, that's because I'm on trombone and it's like the other instruments, flute, clarinet, that stuff, and trumpet. They have the melody and just like the background. So yeah, and there we have it, boys. And yeah, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and comment down below any ideas for future videos. I'll just kind of be mixing it up. I don't know, might do some band, whatever I feel like. And I'll try and upload more frequently. And my channel name is Sounds Speakly Victor is because my name is Victor, and Vector from Speakly or Despicable Me. And yeah, peace out.